Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today I'm going to get this box installed and get my conduit down to it, get my heavy wire into it, and I'm going to let that cat in as well. But first, a little update on Eve, our runner duck. She was stepped on by a horse 2 weeks ago, really bad break in her foot. She's been bandaged up, she's been given antibiotics, she gets baths with a bag over her foot, yada yada yada. She's been out here in my construction area recuperating so that she's out of the wind and all that stuff and away from predators when she can't really defend herself. And she's had a heated mat underneath the cage so she can, not have to generate so much heat to recuperate. She can't be in a really warm place because she has her winter feathers. So now she's been molting a little bit, so we got her off the heat. She's doing really good. She can walk and everything now, and it's pretty much all healed up. So we got to transition her back outside within a week or so. So no more heat, and it's going to be up into the 40s and stuff for the 10-day forecast. So it's going to be nice out coming up, and she has to get back outside once the bandage comes off. All right, I got to let this cat in, then I'll start doing this. What I need to do first is figure out right where these fuses will be. I'm going to try to get that right about 5 feet-ish, so that your average person can reach them fairly easy. And then, so I got to figure out how much pipe I need right there. So I will do that as soon as I get this cat in the house. Okay, it turns out that this line on the OSB is right about where I want the top of this. That brings this down right around 5 feet. So that should be good. So with the top there, this is the offset. So I got to measure from the bottom of this pocket. This will go on like this, and then so 25 inches should do it. That'll bring it up a hair. So we'll just call it 25 inches. I need a chunk of that 1.25 inches at 25 inches, and then I'm off to the races. Okay, that's it. Now I'll get these so that they're available for the addition when we're ready to do that, but I'm not going to do that today. I have this big heavy wire. I just fastened it at every opening along here because it's such big fat heavy wire, and then it needs to bend gradually around the corners of the stuff. So that's what I did. It's kind of hard working with this stuff because it's so stiff. So got her fastened here at the box, and now I got to strip this wire. I got to pull wires from the main panel in there as well. I have a pull elbow at about halfway, so that is 28 feet as the crow flies straight through there, but it has to go up and around and all that stuff. So I would say it's maybe 18 feet to the pull elbow, and then another 18 feet to the box. Just a guess, but it's probably about right. So now I need to get a communications box in here. I'm not sure if I got enough room here. Probably should have figured on that, but it doesn't matter. I can go right up here as well. So I'll run this into a communications box. But the biggest priority is anything that's going through the ceiling to the outlets on that far wall and in these walls. I have 4-way switch wiring, and I have all of the outlets, and I have the 2 fan boxes in the ceiling. So there's a good deal of wiring to do. But the ceiling, like I said, the ceiling has to get done, or at least everything has to get in there that's going across and in the ceiling, so I can finish up this insulation and get that done with. Then we can blow in the insulation up top. Well, I guess I have to have everything done, because if we're going to blow it in the walls, I have to have that done as well. I've never blown in insulation before, so I got to really think about it here and there as to what needs to be done before I can get to that. So that's going to wrap it up for today. Got a good deal done. And this duck's been yelling at me here and there, but she's doing really good. She's really chowing out right now. Eating and drinking. She's feeling good. So if you want to see the progress on the duck and or this room, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you share the video and or give it a like, it helps us out greatly. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.